In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Evernote email quickly and correctly. Whether you want to update the login email on your Evernote account because you switched email addresses, want everything more organized, or simply need to keep your account details current, this guide will walk you through the full process, step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and log into your Evernote account. For this change, it's best to use a browser on desktop or laptop so you can access the full account settings without any issues. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon or profile menu in the top corner of the screen. Click on it, and then choose Account Info. This will take you to your account settings area, where you can manage important details tied to your Evernote account. Now that you're in Account Info, look for the Account Summary section. This is where Evernote shows the main details associated with your account, including your current email address. Find the email field, and next to it, you should see an Edit option. Click Edit to begin changing your login email address. When the edit box opens, carefully type in your new email address. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters, because this email will be used to verify your account. After entering the new email, click Save to submit the change. Evernote may take a moment to process the update, so give it a second to confirm the change. After that, Evernote will send a confirmation email to the new address you entered. This part is very important, because the email change usually isn't completed until you verify the new address. Open your inbox for the new email account and look for the message from Evernote. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder, just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the confirmation email, open it and click the confirmation link or button inside. This tells Evernote that the new email address belongs to you and activates the update on your account. After you confirm it, your Evernote login email should be changed successfully. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're logged into the correct Evernote account and that the new email address is active and accessible. You should also make sure you can receive emails at that address before starting the process. If the confirmation email doesn't arrive after a few minutes, try requesting it again or checking your email filters. And that's it. You've now changed your Evernote email. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go. And now your account is updated with your new login address. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.